Welcome back, Lawrenceville. This is Mr. August, outlining some new procedures from the Bunn Library during our Fall 2020 reopening. The librarians at the Bunn Library have come up with some creative ways to help you check out materials, work with our reference librarians, and learn about our new books and programs. This video will tell you everything you need to know about how to use the library for all your reading, research, and programming needs. Even though we're not able to check out items in person, you can still find the books you're looking for, whether it's for research or for pleasure reading. If you have a specific book in mind, the first place to look is the Sora app. Sora, by Overdrive, is an app you can download to your phone, tablet, or computer, and it lets you check out books in ebook and audiobook formats. The Bunn Library currently has more than 600 ebooks and 300 audiobooks available on Sora, with more titles added every month. For instructions on how to download and use Sora, go to the Bunn Library homepage and click Digital Collections to find downloading instructions. Use your Lawrenceville username and password for access. If the book you're looking for isn't available on Sora, there are other ebook resources available to you. Try eBook Central through ProQuest or Gale eBooks. Both of these collections can be accessed through our databases. Go to the Bunn Library homepage and click Search Databases, then English for links to both of these resources. Use your Lawrenceville username and password for access. Unfortunately, due to our current distancing requirements, the Bunn Library stacks are not available for browsing. However, if you are interested in checking out a book from our physical collection, the Bunn Library has come up with a system for borrowing materials in a safe and healthy way. Step 1. Look for the book in our online catalog to make sure it's available. The online catalog can be accessed from the Bunn Library homepage. Click the Search Library Catalog button, and then search via title, author, or subject. The online catalog is available all year round, and if you log in, you can use it to check the status of items you have out, place a hold request on an item you're interested in, and use advanced search options to find exactly what you're looking for. The online catalog will also tell you when an item is available, checked out, being processed, in quarantine, or awaiting reshelving into the stacks. Step 2. Once you've determined the item you're searching for is available, return to the Bunn Library homepage and place a request. Requests can be made in two ways. First, using the LibChat feature at the top of the Bunn Library homepage. Secondly, by accessing the Google request form, also found at the Bunn Library homepage. Step 3. After your request has been placed, you will be notified if the item is available. The item will be checked out to you, and a bookmark will be placed in the item with your name, the due date, as well as renewal and return instructions. Items will then be placed in a bag, sealed, and your name will be affixed to the outside of the bag. Step 4. All items requested by faculty will be delivered to their mailboxes in the basement of Mackenzie. All items requested by students will require pickup from the center table in the lobby. Students will be able to pick up their items anytime after 12 p.m. Pickup and drop-off for staff members will be determined on a case-by-case basis. Items can be returned by using the book drop on the crescent side of the building. These procedures may change in the course of the term. Keep your eyes open for any changes to our processes via emails from Mrs. Clancy. The LibChat function on the library homepage is not only for requesting materials, it's also used for requesting research assistance, guidance on citation, copyright information, and any other questions you may have for our reference librarians. The librarians will be available to assist you Sunday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Simply submit your request through the LibChat, and a librarian will get back to you within 12 hours. And if you're looking to take a deeper dive, the Bunn Library has a number of online resources available to you, where you can find scholarly articles, book recommendations, and valuable primary sources. The Bunn Library databases cover a multitude of topics and are available both on and off campus. Log in with your Lawrenceville username and password, and you'll have access to databases that include current newspapers like the New York Times, historic publications like the Times of London, science and law journals, and historical resources that include scans of everything from antique maps to classic paintings to pirate journals. Databases like JSTOR and ProQuest offer thousands of articles and documents for whatever topic you're researching. In addition, our LibGuides have been compiled by Lawrenceville's librarians specifically for your research needs. Each LibGuide highlights a different topic of study, including mindfulness, social justice, art history, bioethics, and more, and provides you links to websites, book recommendations, articles from our databases, as well as bibliography and citation information. To access these resources, visit the Bunn Library homepage and click either the Search Databases or LibGuide links to start exploring. Even though our services have mostly gone remote, it doesn't mean the Bunn Library doesn't have a lot to offer. Learn about new materials, new books, databases, and resources through the Bunn Library Booklight. This weekly e-newsletter will feature recent additions to the collection, faculty recommendations, upcoming programs and events, and facts about historic Lawrenceville that have been unearthed by our archivists in the Stefan archives. The Booklight also features magazines offered in Flipster, our magazine subscription service. Flipster is an app you can download to your phone or tablet and offers such periodicals as The New Yorker, Entertainment Weekly, Sports Illustrated, Bon Appetit, and dozens more. To download Flipster, visit the Bunn Library homepage and click on Digital Collections. Use your Lawrenceville username and password for access. The Bunn Library Booklight will be released every Saturday morning, so keep your eyes peeled for new issues each week. Past issues can also be accessed through the Bunn Library Haiku page, alongside videos of previous asynchronous programs, information on digital literacy, and much more. Even though the Lawrenceville School is socially distancing, the Bunn Library is here to help you the way we have always helped you. If you have any questions about the information in this video, or are curious about something that wasn't covered here, please contact our librarians through the LibChat on the Bunn Library homepage. Thank you for watching, and have a great day!